Alright, so the wood we're going to be replacing with is 4x8 sheets of OSB board. So we have almost 8-foot wide trailer. So I went ahead and just measured out 4 foot, and we're going to just be cutting them out in pieces. So I should have just 1 and 2 left. As soon as I cut this one, we should be able to get the whole thing out. And then I'm going to finish grinding the rest of everything and get down the rust. And once that's done grinding and I'm in certain areas, she's going to start undercoating and giving it a good paint with Rust-Oleum so we can prevent any further rust continuing. And then we're going to pre-cut the pieces back. We're saving these so we can just lay them down, draw the template out, lay it in here, put some liquid nail down, and then I'm also going to screw it down to the metal. We'll have a very sturdy, secure floor. And now we're going to start cutting. And as you can see, I just have the blade just below the wood so I can cut it and not the steel framing. Alright. Battery is dead. Okay. Let's get back to you. Gotta change out the battery. Just deciding on what kind of wire brush. I'm gonna clean up a little bit of this rust, and we're going to do some painting, get some undercoating on it so it won't continue to rust. The girls have already waterproofed all the wood. And I've got the first piece up. I'm going to do some grinding on the rust, and we're going to spray paint it and get it done. So here we go. A little noisy. Well, okay, got up early this morning and got her done painted, got the frame painted, so all the rust is gone, grinded off. We were here till about 8 o'clock last night doing some grinding, and got here about 7 o'clock this morning, and Allie painted all the frame nice and painted. So now I gotta start cutting wood and reinstalling the floor. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. All looks real good. She did a real good job.